Grandma had finally upgraded to a smart home, though nobody was quite sure if the house was smart, or if Grandma was about to outsmart the house. Her kids had shown her how to use voice commands just once. Just say what you want, they said. Easy, right? So, the next morning, Grandma stood in her kitchen, hands on her hips, ready to prove she was a modern woman. She leaned toward the little smart speaker and said loudly, "Hello, robot, turn on the light." Nothing happened. She tried again. "Robot, turn on the kitchen." Still nothing. Annoyed, she poked the device. "Don't act shy, know you can hear me." Finally, the light flicked on. Grandma gasped. "Oh, it listened. Well then, this is wonderful." Feeling confident, she decided to try something else. She cleared her throat and said, "Robots, I want cookies." Lots of cookies. The speaker beeped, ordering 15 boxes of chocolate chip cookies. "Confirm." Grandma panicked. "No, wait. Cancel. Cancel the cookies." B. The device being the mischievous little robot, it was replied. "Order confirmed." Grandma's eyes widened. "Lord have mercy. What have I done?" 30 minutes later, a delivery driver showed up with a mountain of boxes. Grandma sighed, shook her head, and whispered, "Well, at least they're the good kind." And from that day on, the family agreed. Grandma could use voice commands, but only with supervision.